le projet de gestion intégrée des ressources en eau est conçu pour aider des petits îles-États en développement de l'océan Indien et Atlantique à trouver des solutions durables aux défis liés à l'eau.
SIDS share quite common specificities. When you have common specificities, you practically face common challenges. But some of these challenges are quite specific depending on where you are, your level of economic development, your location geographically. All these are important aspects to be considered.
Comme l'eau est une ressource précieuse, les îles travaillent ensemble afin de combattre les défis ensemble et imaginer les meilleures solutions possibles, afin d'assurer la disponibilité d'eau de bonne qualité pour les gens, pour la production de nourriture, pour les écosystèmes et pour les activités économiques.
This project is beneficial because we also have interchange of knowledge, interchange of experience through regional steering committee which is being held frequently, and we have also regional training. And in such events, in such occasion, we have the sharing of knowledge so that we can continuously build our capacity and experience.
Le projet promeut la participation active de tous les intervenants impliqués dans la gestion de l'eau, depuis les communautés locales jusqu'au secteur privé et les médias.
We supporting governments to embrace a cross-sectoral coordination in water resource development and management for the benefit of the country in general, but more specifically for the local communities and everybody in the water sector. We are trying to promote coordination in the management approaches at national level. If a country doesn't manage its water resources well, the implications can be quite far-reaching. It can adversely affect the economic development of a country because most of the economies rely on the water resources.
All the sectors, the agricultural sector, the tourism sector, domestic sector, it depends on the water, and without this resource, the economic growth of the country will suffer.
A água continua, portanto, a ser bem raro para os cabo-verdianos, portanto, a sua mobilização continuará a ser uma grande prioridade para o país. Conjuntamente com a sua mobilização, há a desenvolver também muito bem o uso racional da água. Os cabo-verdianos demandam muita água, tanto para as habitações, para o consumo, direito humano fundamental.
Os grandes desafios hoje que se põem são de levar a água às populações, portanto, a água boa de abastecimento. Isso faz com que tenha que se aproveitar da melhor maneira os recursos hídricos, portanto, a própria água.
Les enfants qui se baignent dans les rivières insalubres sont toujours affectés par des maladies hydriques, notamment le choléra, le diarrhée.
At the moment, we can say that diseases from water problems, water quality, are at the moment the biggest reason to have people in the hospitals. It's no more malaria. So we have to give a lot of attention, big attention to water solutions.
The challenges are many. You can start from the environment side. There's a lot of waste that is being produced, and most small islands doesn't know really how to deal with the problem of waste in their country. The second thing is with the issue of climate change. We've seen massive coral bleaching that has happened across the world, and many small islands depend on the coral reef for both tourism and for fisheries because these are the mainstay of their economy.
Les petites îles-États en développement partagent une interconnexion unique et intime entre la terre, l'eau et les systèmes côtiers. Cela veut dire que les activités qui ont un impact sur les ressources en eau sur Terre auront quasi automatiquement un effet sur les écosystèmes marins. L'eau est le lien entre tous ces systèmes.
The approach should be holistic, but the actions should be reductionist till the grassroots level. So it is not only from the perspective of a bird's eye view, it should also trickle down to the grassroots level, that how it is being managed, what are the pitfalls, what are the advantages that we are going to gather with time.
Afin d'illustrer les avantages d'une gestion intégrée de l'eau, le projet a initié des activités pilotes reproductibles au niveau local.
Toda a gestão da água que tem se feito é a gestão do Estado. Portanto, só o governo está a fazer a gestão da água. Mas neste momento nós temos a gestão piloto, que é a gestão do Rio Provache, que é a gestão integrada dos recursos hídricos, que vai nos dar outra maneira de gerir a água em São Tomé e Príncipe.
What are the things that we have this RO plant now, so it's very good. So now most of the people, they are using the RO plant water. So we have already these awareness programs for the generations, for the people, and also for the school students.
I noticed the importance of being on the ground and being here on the island with the inhabitants. Made me realize the importance of communicating with the different sectors, different stakeholders, various levels, from people on the street to the hotel managers. And at the end of the day, seeing the reduction in demand, seeing that we've actually managed to do something, it gives me a sense of satisfaction, a sense of a job well done.
Comme hommes et femmes sont affectés par les problèmes liés à l'eau de la même manière. Le projet IWRM prend soin d'avoir une représentation égale, afin d'assurer que le projet affecte positivement les hommes et les femmes.
Lá em Neves, Neves é uma zona pescatória. E a zona pescatória é muito difícil o contacto com as pessoas, é muito difícil as pessoas se envolverem. E quando nós começamos com um grupo das senhoras, nós vimos o envolvimento delas.
Le projet cherche à mettre en place de bonnes conditions, de bonnes règles et instruments de gestion afin de permettre aux différents acteurs de mettre en place des solutions durables qui correspondent aux besoins et aux priorités de chaque pays.
E o grande objetivo do país é conseguir realmente atingir o objetivo do desenvolvimento sustentável, que é garantir o acesso à água e ao saneamento básico a todos. E é para isto que o país está a trabalhar, e todas as reformas que estão a ser feitas no setor da água e saneamento, todos os investimentos que neste momento estão a ser feitos, com grande apoio também da comunidade internacional, vai ajudar que em 2030 realmente Cabo Verde consiga atingir o objetivo de desenvolvimento sustentável no setor da água, que é a grande meta do país neste setor.
With issues like climate change and in-depth issues, I mean, there you need to have new approaches and you need to find innovative solutions.
I can live to see the day when all the small islands will group together and fight together in an army of intellect to make the large countries understand that if they don't help us, they are the ones who are going to suffer.
I would appeal to everyone to mobilize or to come on board and support this process. There are many ways. One of them is through financial resources, but also supporting other strategies, supporting countries to develop strategies that will help them to mobilize resources towards integrated water resource management approaches.
Sans l'eau, le monde ne peut pas fonctionner.